This is the main router. Now I am using Tenda router as repeater. Let's see how to set up the Tenda F3 as a repeater. Now connect the power adapter line. Then reset Tenda router after a few seconds. This is the reset button. Now press the reset button and hold it for about 30 seconds. Then go to mobile. Now connect your mobile with Tenda router. Then go to Google Chrome browser. Now go to Tenda IP address 192.168.0.1. Now select Dynamic IP. Now you can change your Wi-Fi name. Enter your Wi-Fi password as desired. Now you need to connect to the Tenda router again, because the Wi-Fi name and password have been changed. Now again go to Tenda router IP. Now reload the Tenda router IP address page. Now select wireless repeater. Then you can see the available Wi-Fi networks in the list. Now select your network and connect to the Tenda router. I select my network and I also enter my network password. Then the Tenda router reboots and it will take some time. Now go to mobile Wi-Fi again and connect to Tenda router. Now the setup process is complete and it is working.